Hey, I'm Taquisha and I'm really excited to share my first plant haul with you guys. Today we bought 105 plants to transplant into our garden. We bought 10 pounds of potatoes that are sprouted and ready to go into the ground. We got 4 fig trees and 6 citrus trees. And I'm so excited about these things. It came up to $241. And so if you want to see what that looks like, keep watching. Let's start here. We have some cayenne, we have beef steak tomato back there, and a Better Boy tomato. We have some sweet rainbow mix. We have a sweet bell pepper back there, as well as a sugar baby. Okay, so next we have 1, 2, 3 of these 4 containers filled with cantaloupe. And we have some watermelon, some more sugar baby back there. And we have some sweet rainbow mix and another bell pepper. Next up, we have a couple containers of some pickling cucumbers and some slicing cucumbers. We have a celebrity, another slicing cucumber back there, as well as okra. I don't actually eat okra, but I figure, you know what? If it grows, I will. It will be worth a shot. Okay, this is my last batch. I purchased these from my local farm store, and it was the best price. Everywhere I went was at least double the price we paid here. And so in this little container, we have 4 little sections with at least 4 little plants. And we bought these for $2.50 each, when at the other stores they were at least $4.50, $5 for one. And so it is like night and day with the prices. 1 sweet banana pepper. Okay, next up are my small fig trees. I have the brown turkey fig, and I got 2 of these. And this is the size. Pull it out so you can really see the size. This is what it looks like. I love that it had some nice green leaves on there. And then my next size was the medium size, and I got that in the black mission fig. And I have 2 of these as well. So I have 2 of the smaller ones, the brown turkey fig, and I have 2 of these black mission figs. I also wanted to mention that these black mission figs, they are supposed to grow 40 inches high and 60 inches wide. And these brown turkey figs, they are supposed to grow 15 inches high and 15 inches wide. Next up are my citrus trees. I have lime, kumquat, pink variegated lemon. I have no idea how to pronounce that word, but it's a cute orange, and an olive tree. And so all of these are called patio trees because they are small. And I got these from the tractor supply store. They're going to grow anywhere between 4 and 14 inches tall, except for the olive tree, which can grow up to, these olive trees can grow 20 to 30 inches tall. Part of my 105 plants are these tomato plants that were gifted to me by Faith Family Homestead. And she's just so sweet and so kind and so giving. And so purchased this bag of potatoes from my local farm store. That is a peek into what it looks like. Well, that concludes my plant haul. I'm so happy that you joined me, and I hope that you would join me as I place these things into the soil to see how they are going to grow.